To customize always on display in OnePlus Nord 5, first of all, you will need to open a settings on your device. Next step is to enter wallpapers and style, then go to always on display. Right here, make sure that the option is activated. Next thing you can do is pick a mode. You can go for a seamless or a classic mode. Additionally, we can find display options, what will be displayed on always on display, and there's information. You can show battery and notifications like it shows right here, or additionally you can go for the contextual info. You can also turn some of the options off or on, whatever one you like. And then we have new notifications that can be displayed on always on display. Power saving is you can schedule a power saving, put it on all day, or activate it right here for your display mode as well. Then we have personalized options. You can choose which to customize how your always on display will look like. So you can go with Bitmoji, canvas, custom patterns, text and image as well. There's plenty of options. I won't be able to show you all of them. You can go for whichever one you like and then try to experiment with it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.